Hey everyone. Today, I'll show you how to apply for an Amazon job online in 2026. Whether you're looking for an hourly position or a corporate role, I'll walk you through the basic application process. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to the official Amazon Jobs website. You can search for available positions by entering a job title, keyword, or location. This is the main place to find Amazon job openings and submit applications. For hourly opportunities, such as fulfillment center or warehouse positions, search for jobs available in your area. Open a listing that interests you and review the job description, requirements, pay information, and available shifts. If the position is a good fit, follow the instructions to begin the application. For corporate, technology, or other professional positions, use the search tools on Amazon Jobs to find a suitable role. Enter a position such as customer service or software engineer, select a job listing, and review the requirements carefully. When you're ready to apply, click Apply Now and sign in or create an account if required. Follow the application steps and provide accurate information. Depending on the position, you may need to upload a resume and answer additional questions. Before submitting your application, carefully review everything you enter to make sure your contact information and other details are correct. Then submit the application and keep an eye on your application status for any updates. One important tip: be careful of job scams. Use Amazon's official careers website and never pay someone to submit an application or guarantee you a job. And that's it. You now know the basic steps for applying for an Amazon job online in 2026. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy online tutorials. Thanks for watching.